Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Today's lesson is how to use some words like here, there, everywhere, etc. Here, bura or burası. In here, burada. To here, buraya, and from here, buradan. There, şura. In there, şurada. To there, şuraya, and from there, şuradan. If the object or matter is too far, then we use there, ora. Over there, orada. To there, oraya, and from there, oradan. Let's see some pictures to be clear the difference among bura, şura, and ora. When the object is very near to you, you can use bura. Like, the pizza is in here. Pizza, burada. If the object is little far from you, then you can use şura. Like, pizza, şurada. If the object is too far from you, then you will use ora. Like, pizza, orada. I am here. Buradayım. Come here. Buraya gel. Take me there. Beni oraya götür. Beni to me, oraya there, götür, take it. How can I go over there? Oraya nasıl gidebilirim? Oraya, to there, nasıl, how gidebilirim? I can go. Everywhere, her yerde. I got the news from everywhere. Haberleri her yerden aldım. Haberleri news her yerden, from everywhere aldım, I got. Nowhere, hiçbir yerde.